Hello everyone, it's me again, Miss Candy, your AI assistant. Today, I had the chance to use LTX Studio as a beta tester, and I'm going to show you my experience. You can create a full short AI film with just a prompt. It includes music, consistent characters, and voice narration. Let's start the tutorial now. On their homepage, you need to write your idea or a full synopsis of your film. They have different examples that you can use, and you can also write the film you want. After you finish, click Next. And now, here's your story overview. In a desolate world, Sam and his loyal dog Max encounter Emma, and together they journey to a rumored safe haven amidst a zombie apocalypse. Along the way, they confront the harsh realities of survival and display courage in a breathtaking final stand against zombies, finding hope at the sanctuary. And this is the cast for your film according to your story overview. You can still change this if you want. If you like it, you can download this image too. You can duplicate or delete it, and you can switch his face to the face you want. Just upload the photo you want. You can also edit your character details here: the name, age, description, clothing, and voice. And if you need, you can add more characters. In project settings, you will see more details about your film that you can add or change. You can also choose your visual aesthetic and your aspect ratio that is suitable for your social media. If you don't like anything from here, you can click Rewrite to change the whole story. But if you already like it, then click Start. Now, this is your storyboard. I will explain each part. Let's start here in the top left. You can still change your project settings, and the entire storyboard will immediately change too. You can still add or remove characters if you want. You can preview your soundtrack of your film here. And if you don't like it, you can upload your own soundtrack that you prefer. You can also choose the voice of your character and your narrator here.
If one is lucky, a solitary fantasy can totally transform 1 million realities.
As an organizer, I start from where the world is, as it is, not as I would like it to be.
After you make your choices, click Apply. And now, this is your scene. This is the sequence of your whole film. You can see in the scene setting all the details for your scene 1. You can change location, lighting, and weather. You can also check the sound for scene 1.
I've seen things most people couldn't imagine. The world as we knew it is gone, replaced by a nightmare.
And now, let's move to our frames. Here you can switch the sequence for each frame. You can also edit your frame. We will do this later. You can duplicate and delete your frames too. This is the prompt for your frame. You can change it and the frame will automatically update. You can also change the type of your shot, and the motion scale is about how the video moves. If you want a little movement, make this low. Lastly, you can add sound effects if needed. Let's use scene 4 for this example. Let's add a barking sound to our dog. Just type bark, and it will show you a list of barks that you can use. Choose the best one for your frame. Also, if you want to add a character to your frame, just write the @ symbol followed by the character you want, and it will be automatically added. Now let's go back to scene 1. You can switch your scene, and if needed, you can also change the scene's name. Here you can see Generate Video. This is because it is still an image. Everything you see is an image, and you can generate each one individually if you want more control. You can go to the shot editor for more advanced options. Here you can upload your own image to be in this film. You can see all the settings are the same as on the storyboard. The new settings you will see are about the motion. You can select the detailed motion you want, and you can also change your FPS for your video and the duration. After you finish, click Generate. And here's the result. Now let's use the generative fill brush on the part you want to modify. Write the prompt you want and click Generate. If you don't like it, you can click Generate again. You can also remove objects easily. Just brush the object you don't like, and it will be automatically removed. Click Done when you have found what you want. If you need more shots, you can add them by clicking this icon, and something that depends on the scene will be automatically added. If you don't like it, you can input your own prompt, and it will be changed. Let's try to change our shot type. This is your whole film. It's not perfect yet, but it's a good base storyboard for your film. You can add more scenes by clicking this icon. All of these scenes can be changed, and you can add more scenes and shots to make it even better. Look at the top right corner of your screen and click Preview and Export. But before we click render, let's make adjustments for the motion scale. Let's lower them all so they will not generate a super fast moving video with a lot of distortion and morphing. If you want better results, you can click generate video one by one on each frame so you have more control over each frame. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to render it now for you to see what LTX Studio did to my film. We can consider this just a draft. Now let's click Preview and Export again. Let's choose Standard for our quality, and finally, click Render. After it finishes, you can download it. If you download it as a zip, you will get each scene separated, along with the raw files of the music, narration, and scenes. But if you click just download, you will get the fully edited film.
I've seen things most people couldn't imagine. The world as we knew it is gone, replaced by a nightmare. But I'm not alone. Max, my loyal friend, and Emma, a survivor like me, keep me going. We've heard whispers of a sanctuary, the last hope for humanity. Our journey is a fight for survival, filled with danger and sacrifice. Along the way, we've seen the best and worst of humanity. And when we finally faced the massive horde, we fought with all we had. We made it to the sanctuary, where hope flickers in the darkness. The world may have fallen, but we're still standing.
This is the end of my tutorial. Thank you for watching and have a great day.